Best beaches in Jamaica. This video is brought to you by Sandals and Beaches Resorts. Sandals is a collection of the most romantic beachfront resorts on earth, created exclusively for couples in love, in Jamaica, St. Lucia, Barbados, Grenada, Antigua, and the Bahamas. Discover the Caribbean's most luxurious beachfront rooms and ocean view suites. Enjoy an astounding array of land and water sports, included unlimited golf and scuba diving. So are you planning your Caribbean vacation? Use the link in the description to book online and receive up to 65% off vacation packages with any of the Sandals or Beaches resorts. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do so, remember to click the notification icon so you never miss an update. You probably already know that Jamaica's coastline is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, drawing millions of sun worshippers every year. But do you know which beaches are the best of the best? Like the Top Gun pilots of Beachdom? Well, here they are. From music blasting fun fests to secluded spots few even know to seek out. Number 9. Silver Sands Beach. The Silver Sands waters are gin clear. The sand is as ultra-fine and pink as Olivia Newton-John would have been if the Pink Ladies had given her a jacket. But they never gave her one, right? And that's weird. The private stretch of beach means fewer crowds and no vendors whatsoever. The catch is you have to stay a night at the Silver Sands Villas, but it's well worth it. Bonus, take a walk and look back and marvel at the towering bluffs above. Number 8. Cornwall Beach. This beach is right next door to the Doctor's Cave. You can actually walk over, but it's far less crowded and just as awesome for a swim. It's a wonder more tourists don't come here, given the $5 entrance fee is the same. Maybe it's because it's missing the umbrellas. A bonus, Cornwall Sunday afternoon parties features a bottomless rum mug option you should consider an imperative. Number 7. Mammy Bay Beach. Even though it's off public courtesy of Rio, Mammy Bay is so stunning it's a must. Set up camp at Bamboo Blue beachfront restaurant where you can recline on a daybed, feasting on grilled lobster and sipping a cool runnings. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up, then lie back down because it's a daybed. Bonus, the conditions on this side of the coast are ideal for windsurfing and just about any other water sports that tickles your swim trunks. Number 6. Boston Bay Beach. This golden stretch is clean, uncrowded by tourists or vendors, and close to affordable hotels like Great Huts, which don't even need pizza to live up to its name. Boston Bay is also known for its occasional wave action. Perfect for beginning surfers, there is also a surf shack for rentals and lessons. Bonus, Boston Bay is the birthplace of jerk cuisine. Adjacent, you'll find the Boston Bay Jerk Center, a row of shacks serving traditional jerk. Number 5. Frenchman's Cove. To get to this isolated swimming spot, made famous when Liz Taylor and Richard Burton frolicked here, you have to stroll past the lush gardens and an emerald-hued freshwater river. Once you arrive, lie back on the white sand and ponder for a moment that this was the place where Liz Taylor provided voice-over work for a Captain Planet movie. Bonus, cool off in that glorious river or stroll in the park for plenty of shade. Number 4. Winifred Beach. Winifred Beach is ultra-local in flavor and fun to find off the main cliff-top road and down a bumpy pathway. Sea grape trees line the mile of sand, and the water is the most vibrant turquoise you'll ever see in Jamaica. Bonus, jerk grills and craft vendors add to the flavor, as well as occasional live reggae, but the atmosphere is above all peaceful. Number 3. Calabash Bay Beach. You can escape other vacationers on this wide, black sand beach in the fishing villages of Treasure Beach. There are only a handful of small hotels nearby, including the popular Jake's. Bonus, you are just a half mile from the Pelican Bar, the watering hole out at sea, where you can throw back red stripes, swim and snack on freshly cooked fish. Make it out here, and when it comes to tourists, you are the best of the best. Number 2. Doctor's Cave Beach. Stretching along the hip strip, it's Montego's Bay's most popular beach, and while it's a small one, it's hard to resist, with its multicolored umbrellas, a frothy mix of locals and tourists, and a view of jumbo jets descending towards Sangster's Airport. Bonus, the groovy grouper beach bar dishes out patties and other local snacks. Number 1. 7 Miles Beach, Negril. There are actually 7 uninterrupted miles of white sand, but it's not just about that, or the turquoise sea, or fiery sunsets. The 70-mile beach is also a fountain of entertainment, with weekly live reggae, a constant stream of snack vendors, and countless restaurants, for when you have somehow decided a constant stream of snacks isn't a meal. Bonus, you're a 10-minute walk from Negril's breathtaking cliffside, which should have a Stallone theme bar dangling off the side called Cliffhangers, I'm just saying. Anyway, remember to book your vacations online using the link provided in the description below to ensure you receive up to 65% off booking deals with Sandals or Beaches Resorts. Thank you for joining me, and remember to click the notification icon after you have subscribed to ensure you receive all my videos. I'm Alex. Bless.